I like it, Kaji.
So you have chosen death.
Why you bullying me?
Hey, how you doing? Well, I'm doing just fine. I like.
Today your ass is gonna die, bitch. Yeah! Yeah. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? No, don't touch me there. This is my no square. Oh, what? Controller player! That is a controller player! Daddy, chill.
Oh shit! Alright!
What's up, fuckers?
The fuck you say to me, you little shit? Bitch, what the fuck? What? What the fuck? Why don't we just relax or turn on the radio? Would you like... Uh-oh. Stinky.
My father gave me a small loan of $1 million.
Oh shit! A ghost!
Сука, блядь!
Oh shit! Alright! Oh shit! A spy! Just got that.
Look out, I think Moto.
FBI, open up!
NANI? お前はもう死んでいる。Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Run.
We need to build a wall.
Have you ever had a dream?
Yeah, boy!
Man's not hot!
Stop it. Get some.
What's up?
What the fuck?
No, this is Patrick.
Damn, boy, he's thick! Boy, that's a thick-ass boy!
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Your mom gay! Breakfast!
Road work ahead? Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside there?
Road work ahead?
Whoa! Yankee with no...
Shut your bubblegum dumb looking ass the fuck up.
Oh shit! A spy!